Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry about the glare from the sun. It's a beautiful day today, but today I went to Walmart and I got me the Meguiars Supreme Shine High Gloss Protectant Non-Greasy Formula Cleans, Shines, and Protect. Superior UV blocking for durable protection. And let me switch it around and show you guys. All they're saying is basically for the dash. And as you can see, my dash, you see how dirty it is. It don't look glossy or nothing. And I also bought this Chemical Guy New Car Smell Premium Air Freshener and Odor Neutralizer. I'm not gonna lie, I love the New Car Smell, but I haven't tried this. And what I meant by the New Car Smell, you know, like when you get the brand new vehicle, since my mom had got the Lexus, whatever, I love the New Car Smell that's in there, and hopefully that gonna last a long time. But since I'm in my 2008 Toyota Avalon right now, and here smell good because I could smell this mango and something else. It smells real good, and I think I could still smell the tree as well too when, you know, pop the window open and the air blows. I can smell the tree. But I want to get that new car smell in this old vehicle, so that's why I bought this Chemical Guy. But anyways, the first demonstration have a microfiber cloth I had bought from Walmart. I think it's 10 for like $5 and change. Yeah, it's like 10 of them for like $5 and change. But yeah, so we're gonna try it. Hopefully you guys could see. I know the sun, I should have parked somewhere like under the shade so you guys could see all the dirt, the dust, the lint that's on the dashboard. See all that? Pretty much is dirty. So yeah, we're gonna try the Meguiars. You know, it's an extra shine, you know, yeah. Extra shine, high gloss, protectant, superior. Let me turn it to the back and read the back for you guys before I show you guys, before I get into actual work. Superior high shine protection to preserve violent rubber, plastic, high shine protectant, UV blocker, defense against fading, cracking, aging, all that good stuff. So it said shake well. That's what it said, right? Yeah. Spray directly on the surface or towel applicator pad and apply evenly to avoid streaking. Wipe off excess. All right, so I could basically spray it on the cloth, or you could spray it on the dash. The reason why I don't like to spray it on the dash itself is because sometimes it get on the glass and the glass will start looking a little foggy, or you'll see some spots. So what we're going to do, let me flip my camera around and let me use my odd thing as well too. So what we're going to do, hopefully that hold it up. I need to get, oh yeah, I'm supposed to get my hair done today too. What we're going to do anyways, I'm going to fold this, you know, and I'm going to spray it on the cloth. So give it a few spray, you know. You don't need to spray that much. I'm just overdoing it. And it smells pretty good. It smells good. It smells good, guys. Smell good. Flip the camera. And we're going to start on this side. And I love the microfiber cloth, you know, because it picks up the dirt, everything it picks up. You see the difference already? It really works, you know. It looks more shiny. So far, so good. So far, so good, guys. So far, so good. I didn't really spray none or wipe over here because over here it's sticky from the glue from this. You know, it melted because of the sun. Florida gets really hot, so Yeah, it gets really hot in Florida. As you see over there, all those lint, you can see. So I'm gonna spray some more on the cloth. I do want to spray it on the surface itself. Well, if I want to spray it on the surface, I could like probably just, you know, something like this. I didn't want it to get on the glass. Sometimes they get on the glass. See, it's like, do it like that. Guys can see the difference. See the difference, guys? You guys see the difference where I wiped so far? See the gloss, the glossy, non-glossy over there, further in. You see the difference. I know you guys see the difference, right? And I don't know if this one works better than the Armor All, because Armor All got its own protectant as well for the dash as well, that give it a shiny, glossy look as well. But I don't know how long it usually lasts. I don't know how long it usually lasts, but it works. So far, so good, you know. It works. I don't know if it takes like a week, 2 weeks, a month, maybe last 3 weeks. I don't know. I might probably make another video and let you guys know, hey, it lasts like about a week or so, or 2 weeks. Or I'll probably just let you guys know how long it lasted. But it works so far. So far, so good. You know? It works. And it smells decent too. It smells really good. It smells pretty good. Yeah, it smells pretty good. Really good. Tell me guys what you think, you know. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Trying to grow this channel, you know. Your boy is new to this. Your boy trying to grow this channel, you know. Trying to be like the big guys, the big dogs. I know it's going to take a while, but hey. Got to keep on doing what I'm doing. So what you guys think about it? Extra shine. No, non-greasy formula, cleans and shine, protects, superior UV blocking for durable protection. So it will protect my dash basically from cracking up. You know how you see some older cars with the dashboard all cracked up and everything. Yeah, like right here, have a little slit in it. Right here, see that right there? Yeah, so gotta use things like this to keep it going, to keep it protected, you know. So yeah, I'll give this product, you know, I'm gonna give it like a 7 for now, because I don't know how long it's gonna. I know they probably have better product out there to shine, to actually give your dashboard a good glossy look, but I just don't know how long this is gonna last. I am gonna try it as well in the newer vehicle, because on the dash for the newer car, in the Lexus, the dashboard needs to be clean as well. So I am gonna try this product on it as well, and we'll see the difference. So stay tuned. All right guys, so as you can see, it looks dull, especially up here. You know, I'm sorry about I don't even know why the door lock itself. Oh my gosh. And it's hot in here too. Anyways, I'm gonna spray the Meguiar on the cloth once again, and I'm gonna start wiping. So here we go. Spray some of the Meguiar. And let's get to the wiping, guys. Ooh. Man, it's burning up. As you can see. And it's really hot too. It's hot in here because the sun is like blazing. Alright, I'm gonna spray some more. I don't know if you guys see the difference. Can you tell the difference? Ooh, it is hot. But can you guys tell the difference? Seems like it works. So far so good, you know. I just don't know how long it's gonna last. But if you like this video, guys, please hit that like, please subscribe. Help my channel to grow. I haven't really got back there like that. But so far so good. It looks like it works. Well, maybe if I come from this angle, maybe you can see the difference that I wipe. It look more glossy. You see the difference. Yeah, guys. You guys look at it again. What you guys think? Looks more shiny, look more glossy. I know the glare from the sun is kind of give it a hard time to see, but I think I see the difference. I seen the difference, guys. It looks more glossy to me. It works. It works. I just don't know how long it's gonna last. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. You could let me know if you guys try any other product, any name brand, other brands that you guys tried. I tried Armor All before, and this is my first time trying Meguiars, and so far it works. I just don't know how long it's gonna last, but it looks more glossy, and it's really hot in here too. Oh my gosh. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. If you have another product you want me to try, let me know in the comment section, and I will try it in the future. For real. So far so good. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless.